Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. As you know, I'm a big fan of Minions, and there's a brand new movie coming out. So the good folks over at Numskull have sent us their latest Tubbz regarding the Minions, as well as some other items too. Now together we'll be unboxing the surprise package and seeing exactly what it's all about. So if you guys wanted your own, check out the link down below in the description. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so this here's our packaging, this here's our box. Let's open it up. Oh, sweet. Alright, so we got a little thank you card saying just a small gift in anticipation of the new Minions movie. Hope you love it. BOB. Love it. Alright, let's see what's in here. So first off, I do see some new Tubbz. Check it out. So we got ourselves Bob. Ah, so cool. And then we have Stuart. Oh wow, look at these little guys. They look so cool. Just like the other Tubbz, it comes in a little tub housing our little minion duck. But it does actually showcase, it says the Minions logo right over there. And then this here's number 2, aka Bob. So look at this guy, wow, so cool. So a lot of details, including this little teddy bear, of course, from the original Minions, and has this little smirk as he always does. I absolutely love it. Definitely a really cute looking rubber duck. So let's set this guy over here. Next, let's look at Stuart. This here is Stuart, and as you may know, one of his cool features with him is that he has a little guitar and kind of showcases it right there. Both characters side by side look really nice and definitely a much needed for any collection for Tubbz. And yes, again, highly detailed, even down to the hair. They kind of did their own little personalities built into the little rubber ducks, and I have to say they're doing a great job with these Tubbz. Now they also sent us some other accessories, so we got ourselves a Tubbz pin, as well as a Numskull pin, so we'll be adding this to our collection of pins. We got some stickers, and then of course some Minion collectibles, including a charging mat. So this is kind of cool. So this here would be a charging mat for a wireless device like your phone, where you can go ahead and simply place it on there and charge it. And then we also get an official's Minions 3D desk lamp. Now the nice thing about these is that it actually lights up, so the background will light up, and it's great for any wall or like novelty piece. And there you guys have it. So really cool stuff. Big shout out to the good folks over at Numskull for sending over their amazing collection of Minion products. Again, they actually have a lot of other things, including sweaters and stuff like that. So if you guys wanted it, check it out down below. But again, I would highly recommend these Tubbz. They're very cool and very detailed, especially if you're a Minion fan or if you're a Tubbz fan. Definitely much needed. Now with that said, if you guys had any questions, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye bye.